Hey guys, Tony here. Good morning. SHIBA INU is currently retesting that 30 mark, that 30 microcent mark. I personally think we are going to be breaking that 30 microcent today. It looks like it wants to break that resistance so bad. I mean, it's been retesting that resistance for so long now. Well, not really long time, but you know, it actually started retesting it back on October 8th. I mean, it's really only been a couple days. But you know, we did break trend, which is unfortunate, but we stayed within trading range, which just means that nobody is selling their SHIBA INU. It's really just sideways trading for right now. Even after, you know, we had a bear trigger back here, you dropped a little bit, but really you're still just trading sideways on that 4-hour bull cycle. Back here, you actually had a nice drop from highs of 35 or 36 down to lows of like 20, but you recovered pretty quickly, and all you're really doing is trading sideways. And again, you're seeing that you're seeing that peak resistance at that, you know, the micro 29 cent level, the micro 30 cent level. And you know, I think we're gonna break it. You know, I think there's enough momentum and enough volume to possibly break that micro 30 cent level today. It has been running up for the last couple of hours, you know, consistently just kind of hitting new peaks, right? That move actually started back, what, October 10th, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. It's been consistently just running up higher, until you're hitting that 30 cent resistance level. But keep in mind, you know, if you do see another retrace down, I still think, you know, if we do not break these 30 cent levels, I still think there's a chance that we can go to 17. But with the momentum that we have right now, I can definitely see us breaking that 30 microcent level. And then we have really good resistance back here at like 34 microcents. And then after that, you know, if we do break relative highs of what, like 37 microcents, you know, I think the next stop is going to be 60 microcents. I think, you know, as soon as we break resistance, there's a super high probability that we can, you know, run up, probably retest trend, come back down, retest resistance as support, and then run to the upside. Especially right now that Bitcoin closed the week bullish and it broke relative highs and it's out of its trading range, I can definitely see SHIBA INU run a lot more to the upside. And I do think as soon as that resistance gets broken, I do think that, you know, 60 microcents is definitely not far away. So quick update, you know, the 30-minute is definitely looking really bullish. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if this trading range actually gets broken. And if it does, you know, I think we're going back to trend, which would more than likely take us to like a 40 microcent SHIBA, maybe retest down to 30 microcents, and then run all the way to 60 microcents. So, you know, we'll see what happens when we hit that underside, of trend. But, you know, that might not be for a couple of days, weeks, who knows. But, you know, if this actually gets broken, the next big resistance is actually breaking through previous trend. So we'll see what happens. See you guys later. Bye-bye.